What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Here I am going to share new method which you can use right now to get amazing discount on Temu. If you are new or existing user, it doesn't matter, you will get amazing discount on Temu after following this video. So what you need to do is simply click the link in the description, then you will redirect it into this type of customized link. Then select what you want to buy from Temu, what you selected to buy from Temu, then add this code on the checkout page to get 90% discount. This is method number 1, and if this method is not working, use this method number 2. What you need to do is left your current Temu account and create new Temu account in other devices. For example, in different mobile phone, PC, laptop or a tablet, and you need to create new Temu account using link in the description and new email ID. Then select what you want to buy, then add this code on the checkout page. Okay, this code on the checkout page to get 90% discount. Go try this. If method number 1 is not working, method number 2 will definitely work for you, and you need to use all this code from the link in the description, so you are eligible to use that code. Otherwise you are not able to use this code and you will not get any discount. So go try this and you will get amazing discount on that. Thank you.